Joe, what you were saying then as well, Joe, that filter tool, that it's something that you
yes.
use an awful lot as well, just more kind of sanity checking the model.
Yeah, actually, going back into Accelerate, I forgot about the sort of the more BIM management tools or graphics tools. This one, Color Elements, is actually, it's one of my favorite tools in this. So I use it for checking things, but you might want to use it to set up, let's say, your fire rated drawings. So these are all my Revit categories, and if I select my walls, I can pick an instance property or a type property. So I'm just going to go by type, and because I don't notice what's in this sample model very well, I'm just going to go type name. And you can see it running here literally as I click on things. There's all my wall types in the project. It's assigning a color to each one. I can choose to include all of them. I can choose to include maybe just the ones I want. But I can add those filters to my view. I can add those filters to my view template. So rather than manually creating your filters one by one and adding them each to your view template one by one, I can use Color Elements to drop that in. It tells me 8 filters were added to my view. I can close that. It retains it. And when I go into my visibility graphics and into my filters, there they all are. So Naviate has added them in with the, and anytime you see the NV, it's like a Naviate generated filter. And there's all my colors. And it's done that for me. And then, yeah, if I don't want to see some of these, I can turn them off. But yeah, much quicker than going add, edit, create new filter, make the rule, and do that kind of one by one, and then add each one in one by one. So yeah, I really like the that Color Elements tool for just saving time. It's really great. Also, unhide elements, for anyone who's ever worked on jobs where people hide stuff that they shouldn't. Unhide elements will just hide everything, unhide everything in a view automatically, which is great.